Hi everyone, welcome to our Learning Jira series. In this series, we are going to look at the various Jira functionalities and we'll learn and understand how this functionality works. We will use the step-by-step approach on topics like how to create a project in Jira and how to configure them, including how to assign roles, permissions, etc. We also look into our next set of series on creating issue types, how issues will be handled, and how we can manage an issue. After that, we will get into create and customize workflow to match how our team will work on that. And we will look into further details on users and group management in Jira. So in order to start with this first lesson on the Jira, let's go ahead, let's get started with our creating a project in Jira as a first step, and as being an admin or a developer in an organization, and if you handle how the Jira project for your team, you will be tasked with asking to create a new project or modifying an existing one. So in this way, how Jira help us to create a project and how we can able to manage. Let's take a look. Let's take this standard approach of going to projects, and it will list all the projects which are created in our Jira portfolio. And let's click create project. Creating creating project can be classified as a software or business related project in the Jira software. So we have prompted with multiple options to choose from. Scrum software development project, if it is a software related, a basic software development project, or a Kanban board project for anything related to IT services industries. If you want to create a project to just for project management purposes or task management purposes, we can choose options like project management process or task management. Click next. Yeah, so once you click next, you can see the project basic workflow. So it starts with to do, in progress, interview, done. uh, so this will be the 4-step workflow associated with the basic software development project what we choose before. You can go back and change before whatever you want to create. Let's go ahead with the basic software development. This project is being associated already with the following institutes: a bug, task, subtask, improvement, new feature, and epic. We can go into these details later when we talk about the issue types in Jira. Click select. Here we basically give the name of the project. I'm giving project beta. So as you type the name of the project here, you'll see the key also getting added automatically by Jira. This you can let it leave as it is, or you can use whatever you want to have this project issues or bugs are going to be get prefixed with. I'm just for time being and just setting it P beta. How this works is, so any issues, any new task or any defects being getting created will be prefixed with p beta -1 -2 -3 and so on and so forth. So it is best idea to have this project key defined the way you want to look into your issues and things like that at the beginning step itself. Doing this later will be more complex and things like that. So you can also provide it with the project lead selection options. So as of now, there is no other project lead has been configured in the system. So the default user is selected as a project lead. We are all done, and let's click submit. Yeah. So we are on the home page, basically the project home page of the Jira, and you will see a couple of navigation links here. Let's create a first issue. Now we got the screen created, and we are into the issue creation screen, and you can choose various different options, and the respective default fields will get loaded. For time being, let's suggest contact form request. Let's go with, we are creating a new feature, and we want the feature to be called as contact form request. Great. I'm not filling out any other fields. Let's see how the new request is getting created. Yep. So the issue is created. As I said, we just created this issue just to see, because if you see this, this is how we gave the key as a p beta. So it's created with p beta. So what we did, we created a project, we gave a key to it, and we know how to reach a project creation page by clicking the wheel icon and selecting projects, or by clicking projects and selecting create project. Either way, you can able to create a project in Jira. One last thing we can look into before we wind up this tutorial. Let's go into project, and let's click on the project link directly here, which will take us to the project settings page. This is one core startup location where you are being a project admin, or a developer who manage your Jira project, you need to aware of. Here we have all those informations available, like what versions for the project Jira software it has been using, what are the issue types this project is having, the various components and workflows and whatnot, roles especially, screens, permissions, field, and development tools. We will get into all these details one by one in the upcoming series. Thanks for watching.